loves, this is Chandni and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Oh my god, I'm shooting a video for YouTube after so long. It feels so different, but it was because I had my exams and I'm finally done with college. So you guys keep asking me, Chandni, which college are you in? I was actually in Pearl Academy for 2 years. I completed my diploma there, and because Pearl doesn't give you a proper degree, so I was pursuing English honors from Delhi University side by side for a proper degree. Keeping this aside, so today's video is something that I love to shoot and you guys love to watch, which is a Victoria's Secret haul. And Victoria's Secret has just opened up a store in Delhi and I'm obsessed with the store. I'm super excited to show you all everything that I shopped. So let's get into the video. So we have 2 packets today, this one and this one, and I'm going to start by showing you all the first packet. So the first packet right over here has 2 mists. So we have the Victoria's Secret Surf on the Waves mist, and the other one is Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Crystal. And oh my god, I was never a fan of Pure Seduction, but the crystal one just literally has my heart. It's such a beautiful fragrance. I want to apply some of it right now. It smells so good. It smells a little bit like candy, something sweet but also floral and fruity. I can't decide, but whatever it is, literally it has my heart. And the Victoria's Secret Surf on the Waves, I think it reminds me of beaches, summers. It's very subtle but also very refreshing at the same time. I really like these mists that I've got, and this one is my current favorite. And now I'm going to show you everything that I've got from the Pink collection. So I love keeping small mists and lotion inside my bag. I've got these cute minis from the Pink collection and that's how they look. So I've got 1 mist and 2 lotions. So I've got these little ones to keep inside my bag whenever I'm traveling. I think they come super handy whenever I'm traveling or just when I'm going for clubbing and I want to smell good all the time. So I can just keep this mini one inside my bag. And this one is the soft and dreamy one. The packaging is so cute. I love the polka dots. I love the small polka dots. They look adorable. Oh my god, I love the packaging. I'm a little girl in the candy shop when I go to Victoria's Secret. I'm not kidding. And then we have these 2 lotions. This one is literally my current favorite lotion. I'm going to show it to you. So this is the honey lotion and that's how it looks. I love how adorable it is, and it literally smells like honey. I'm not kidding, guys. Oh my god, it literally smells like honey. It smells so yummy. I want to eat it. It smells too good. So the next one is this cocoa lotion. It is the usual cocoa lotion that we all know about. It has coconut oil, literally smells like coconut, and yeah, it's really nice. I think it's perfect for traveling. Actually, I have a bigger size also of this one that I use for daily use. Next thing inside this bag is my new night suit or my pajama set, and that's how it looks. It looks so cute. It's so comfy. So I have the full sleeve one and I have the pajama set, but I don't have something for summers. So I got this one just for summers. I actually wear medium, but I think the medium of Victoria's Secret is too big for me. I should have got small size. So it has these shorts. So I have this really big oversized t-shirt. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my current favorite purchase from Victoria's Secret, which are these mists from Victoria's Secret. It's called the Victoria's Secret Bear and it looks like this. So Bombshell is my favorite fragrance. It's my staple. It's literally my scent, and honestly I had gone to buy Bombshell because Bombshell is literally my favorite. I had to restock it, and the second I tried this fragrance, I was like, this is my new favorite fragrance and I need to take a break from Bombshell now. So I'm really excited to try my new favorite fragrance. It smells super elegant. Oh my god, I just know that I'm spending like $1,000,000 right now. It smells so good. So I got 2 of these. And now I think I'm going to apply this mist everywhere. Every time I'm going out, I'm going to apply this one. The next thing that I got from Victoria's Secret was something from the Pink collection. So I got the Cocoa Vanilla body scrub and that's how it looks. This is literally my current favorite fragrance from the Pink collection. I have never been a fan of Pink collection, but literally it smells so good. Because I like the fragrance so much, I also got a lotion. So I've got Cocoa Vanilla body lotion and it has coconut oil, vanilla bean extract. and that's how it looks. The fragrance of this lotion is so fancy, something that only fancy hotels would keep, a fragrance that only an elegant person would wear. I really like how comforting the fragrance is, but at the same time it's so elegant. I would highly recommend this one. And I also got another one, which is honey cranberry, which has honey inside it, and that is how it looks. And that was everything that I got from Victoria's Secret this time. I'm literally a girl in the candy shop when I enter Victoria's Secret. I used to be 17 and I used to be all crazy for Victoria's Secret, and now that I'm 21, I'm still the biggest fan, I feel. So yeah, that was everything that I got from Victoria's Secret, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys, if you want to see such pretty girly videos. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.